Hello everyone, this is Cal and Bella from the Mount Duneed market team here at Armstrong Real Estate. This week we're just going to talk a little bit about what we've seen in our market. So first of all, there's been an increase in listings post-Easter. So what we noticed in January, February, March, there was a bit of a scarcity. Since Easter, there's been a lot more properties that have hit the market. What have you noticed, Bella?
Yeah, I'd say in terms of the pricing, it's remained pretty steady and stable.
Yep.
Right now, obviously, with what's happening, the conflict overseas and a potential interest rate rise on the horizon with May, we haven't actually seen that the previous rise, the interest rate rise, has taken effect on people's borrowing power just yet.
Yep.
So we haven't seen a dwindling in confidence at this stage. We'll be obviously keeping our finger on the pulse with that. But typically there's a bit of a lag effect with interest rates as well.
Yeah, I think it's just really important to note that whatever the inflation data is later in the month, that will have a big impact on what the market is going to do going forward. So if the inflation data is high, and this will be the first month that has the war data in that inflation that inflation information, that will really dictate with what happens with rates. Once rates go up,
yeah,
obviously.
And on a local demand level, we've actually seen that the demand has remained really strong.
Yeah.
So things are still very much transacting. We've had a bit large number of sales from even Easter to now. So that tells us that there's still really strong buyer demand. So
at all levels as well, not just 600 to 650, but all the way up to into the millions. We've noticed plenty of buyers still out and about.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So if you need any more information on the Mount Duneed area, please feel free to reach out to myself or Bella. We'll be able to get in touch and just take you through what's been happening.